Hey guys, it's Jasmine and I'm back with another video. So I just finished recording my flawless foundation routine plus highlight and contour. I'm sure it will be up before this video, so I will link it down below for you guys to check out. Same day I just changed my shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting this new series, or not really a series, but I'm gonna be doing this new video on my channel. It's gonna be called My Top 5. So my top 5 will be products, like it will be one category of products, and I'm gonna tell you my top 5, of course. So today is gonna be highlighters. Who doesn't love a good shimmering highlight? So I'm gonna be showing you guys my top 5 highlighters, and these are the highlighters that I reach for the most. These are the ones that are like in my everyday like reach, like pretty much they're always just right there, because they're my faves. Some of them are some oldies but goodies, but I love them. So if you want to see my top 5 highlighters, then just stay tuned for the video. So my first favorite highlight is no other than the Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting Duo, and this is in the shade 2. And you guys know this was like such a hype a while ago. So many people still love it, but they do make this highlighter shade in just a pan by itself now, but I still have the duo. So I'm gonna give you guys a swatchy. It's just so pretty. It's just like so golden and just life. It's just so pretty. This is it here. It's just my favorite. Like, this is what I was using like literally every day for a while. I don't know if my lighting is doing this any justice, so they may all look the same on camera. And this one, like, it doesn't have like any like glitter specks. You know, some of them have like that chunky glitter that's in it, but this one does not, which is why I actually really love it, because it gives you that nice sheen. I'm not wearing it right now. I am wearing one of the ones that I love right now. But so this is just so pretty, and it's just super creamy and smooth. It's just like bomb. The next one is an oldie but a goodie as well. People freaking freaked out over this. This is the Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow Highlighter, and this is it. So pretty. Love, love, love this. This is like more like bronze, but it's still like a little golden. It's just so pretty. And this is that one. As you can see, this one is a little darker than the Sculpting Duo in number 2, but it's just so pretty. Again, this one is smooth, buttery, and it doesn't have like those individual like chunks of glitter, which makes it like bomb. But this is that one. So very beautiful, y'all. These highlights are bomb, seriously. Like, this will have you glowing for like you're about to meet God or something, you know. It's just bomb. And then if you set it with like a setting spray, even more bomb. Bomb, 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 bombski. So my next one is gonna be from Becca, and everybody know Becca like shut the game down with highlighters. Like, after Becca started making these shimmering skin perfectors, everybody wanted to make bomb highlighters. So yeah, this is this one, and this color is Champagne Pop, which was created by Jaclyn Hill here on YouTube, and this is it. Super pretty. This is like a champagne-y gold. It's just super freaking pretty. And I own a lot of these shimmering skin perfectors, but this has to be my favorite color. And again, this doesn't have like individual specks of glitter. And this is that one. I feel like they're all showing up pretty similar on my camera, but they all are different, I promise. So this is the Sculpting Duo in number 2. This is Bobbi Brown's Bronze Glow, and this one is Becca's Champagne Pop. Super pretty. And again, super pigmented, and again, super creamy, super like buttery, no like powdery kickback or anything like that. I love these. So we're getting down to our last two, and I didn't do these in any particular order. All of these are like my favorite. Like I just live by these, you know, live by them. So next is gonna be, this is like a mini one. This is like came in like a little kit, which I love the little kit because it came with like the gloss bomb that I love from Fenty. So this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Hustla Baby. And like I was saying, everybody, hold on, let me find the name because I cannot remember the name of that Fenty Beauty highlight, like the really gold one or the really like yellow gold one, which I don't really like. Oh my god. Okay, Trophy Wife. Trophy Wife was the one that everybody was freaking loving, like dying for and just going crazy over. But I personally did not really love that one. It was just too much for me personally on an everyday like basis. Like for me, it was just a little too just boom. Like it was just like yellow on your face and I didn't like it. So for me, Hustla Baby was by far the prettiest one. Like I love this one. Also the Kilowatt Duo in, what is it called? Moscow Mule. That one is really pretty too. Oh shoot. But anyways, let me get you guys a swatch of this baby. Oh, I just pressed it too much and I messed up my FB. So this is that one. I don't think you guys can see it too well, but this one is super pretty. This is like a goldie, but it also has like hints of pink or something. I don't know, but it's just so pretty. And I just pressed this so hard. I love this one. It's kind of like almost a little duochrome to me. If you I swatched that in the wrong place. Here, let me do it on my other hand. So this is Hustla Baby. I don't know if you guys can too much see it too well. I'm also wearing this on my face right now. You guys can see it. A live swatch. Well, it's not a live swatch. What am I talking about? But yeah, this is the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby that I have on currently, and it's super pretty. Alright, and last but not least, I have a drugstore one. Yay for drugstore! I have the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter, and I have the color Molten Rose Gold. This is that one. I hope you guys can see it, but it's super pretty as well. But this is more of a rosy color. So let me get y'all a swatch. Ooh, it's just so pretty. This is like really creamy as well for drugstore. This is like bomb and I love it. I love this color. And this is the Molten Rose Gold from Maybelline. Super pretty. Super pretty. So this is the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby, and this is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Rose Gold. Hustla Baby, Molten Rose Gold. I'm all highlighted out. I'm all highlighted out. I'm all highlighted out. I'm all highlighted out. But yeah, so these are my top 5 highlighters. I love these highlighters. Like seriously, these are the ones that I pick up most. These are the ones I use on an everyday basis when I'm going to work. I'm gonna use one of these most of the time, unless I'm like trying a new highlighter out or something. But yeah, these are my faves. Yes. Fine. Alright, so those are my top 5 highlighters that I've been absolutely loving, like since I've got them. Those are my go-to highlighters. I really enjoyed them. They're my faves. I absolutely love them. They're my babies. What else can I say? Because I just love them. So yeah, so down below, I would love if you guys tell me your favorite highlighters or any ones that I should try, different colors of the same brands or same highlighter, different color, something like that. Or just tell me your favorite highlighters, drugstore or high-end. I would love to know, and I would love to try some new ones out. So yeah, that's the end of this video. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up for highlighters, big thumbs up for me, big thumbs up for 2 videos in 1 week. Also, when you guys give my videos a thumbs up or like the video, it really helps get my name out there. It really helps me be spread over many other like people being able to see my videos, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I would love if you guys give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video, so you never miss a video from me, and you can keep up to date with all my videos, and yeah, we can stay in touch with each other. So that's all for now. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Highlighting and contouring is before you put on foundation, you naturally have like light and dark spaces on your face. Like under your eyes are typically lighter than the rest of your face, and you most time have a darker, like you can still kind of see the darker spot like in the hollows of your cheeks is normally darker than the rest of your face. So basically, once you put on foundation, it pretty much takes all the dimension out of your face or away from your face. So now we're just going to add it back with highlighting and contouring.